First, let's make the chick's body. Roll about 2/3 of the light yellow wool into a ball. Roll the wool tightly in this step, which can greatly shorten the time of sticking. Fold the wool at both ends inward. Use a needle to poke the wool ball in various positions. Poke both ends towards the middle. Don't poke in the same area. Repeat stabbing. Try to change the needle insertion position constantly. On the relatively rough surface of the wool ball, wrap a thin layer of wool. Gently poke the surface to make it smooth. Choose a side to poke and smooth it, as the bottom of the chick. Keep poking the wool to make it stiff and firm. Add a circle of wool to the bottom, making the bottom a little larger than the top. To make the bottom wider than the top, here comes the music. Add small amounts of shredded wool repeatedly, and adjust the shape of the wool ball. Poke it tightly. Poke the wool ball until it is overall firm. The surface is relatively smooth, without obvious loose wool and needle holes. That's it. Pay attention to the upper part is narrow and the lower part is wide. orange wool and tear it into pieces. And separate a small amount of shredded wool, and poke them into small cylindrical shapes. Stab the loose wool at both ends inward. When poking, be careful not to use too much force. Just poke gently and stick it. The length is about 1 centimeter. Use the same method to make another slightly smaller one, cylinder strip. Connect the two cylindrical strips, and poke them together in the middle of the main body. The larger one is on top, and the smaller one below. At both sides of the mouth, pierce a hole with a comb. If you don't have a comb, you can use a toothpick or other sharp tool. Insert into the eyes. Take the pink wool and tear it into pieces. In the area below the eyes, use pink shredded wool to poke out the chick's blush. Make sure not to use too much wool. First, spread a small amount. If not, add more wool. Try to make the blushes symmetrical. Take a small amount of yellow wool and tear it. Fold and poke into a long strip. Poke a few stitches in the middle to make the chick's curved arms. Gently poke. Poke the loose wool on the surface to make it tight. Use shredded wool to make the chick's other arm. Here comes the music. Poke the arm and connect it to the body at the right position. Pay attention to the hands, the connection with the body. If the connection mark is obvious, you can poke lightly on the surface. Cover it with a layer of shredded wool. Take light gray wool and lay it flat. Poke it into a knife-shaped slice. If you can't grasp it well, the shape of the word, you can first poke out a rectangular sheet. Then use scissors to trim it into the shape of a knife. Gently poke the surface to make the wool stick. Don't take too much wool to avoid making the knife too big and thick. Turn the edges of the wool inward and poke gently. Adjust the shape of the knife while poking. Poke until the wool is sticky and firm. Trim off the surface fluff. Connect the knife tip to the body. Use scissors to trim off part of the blade. Poke white wool strips at the blade position. Take a small ball of orange wool and poke it between the arm and the blade. To make an orange handle, pay attention to the handle. Also has a certain sense of volume. Don't make it a flat one. Carefully trim off the surface fluff. You're catching on. A cute chick is done.